Finding the right wireless tattoo machine can feel overwhelming, especially when you want precision and ease. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Wormhole Tattoo Gun Kit. The Wormhole Tattoo Gun Kit caught my attention with its affordable price of $43.88 for a complete set. If you want a solid starting point for your tattoo journey, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes everything you need: a lightweight aluminum alloy tattoo pen, a power supply, foot pedal, inks, and more. The rotary pen operates smoothly and quietly, making it great for beginners who might be nervous about tattooing. Plus, it has a stroke length of 4 millimeters, which is perfect for a variety of techniques. With over 3,000 units sold in just the past month, it's clearly a popular choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Beginners often struggle with finding a kit that doesn't overwhelm them with complexity. This set simplifies the process, ensuring you can focus on your art without constant technical distractions. Now, some people complained about the lack of high-quality inks included in the kit. Here's the thing though, while the inks may not be top shelf, they're more than sufficient for practice, and you can always upgrade later. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or looking for a budget-friendly option to experiment with. Skip this one if you're a seasoned artist seeking professional-grade tools. Honestly, for under $50, you get a lot of value here. Now, if that last product's basic ink options bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, the Wormhole Wireless Tattoo Machine. Priced at $55.99. If you're looking for versatility and technology in your tattooing, this one's worth checking out. This machine supports multiple tattooing modes, including a dot work mode and a jumpstart mode for special needles, which is a game changer for artists who want to push their creative limits. The 1800 milliamp battery provides an impressive 6 hours of runtime, so you won't be constantly recharging during long sessions. What really stands out is the integrated timer and memory function that keeps track of your session lengths and remembers the last settings used. This means more focus on your artistry and less on fiddling with the machine. However, some users mentioned that the learning curve can be steep for complete beginners. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to invest a bit of time into learning, the advanced features can significantly improve your tattooing skills. This is perfect for you if you're an artist looking to expand your techniques and want a machine that grows with you. Skip this if you want something ultra simple with no frills. For the price, you're getting a solid, feature-packed machine. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for professional precision. Product number 3, Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit. Let's talk about the Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit, priced at $149. This one caught my eye because it's designed for serious artists who demand precision and versatility. The L3 operates cordlessly for up to 7 hours and features 7 adjustable stroke options ranging from 2.4 millimeters to 4.2 millimeters, which means you can easily switch between styles whether you're shading or doing detailed line work. With a reliable mic or motor, it delivers powerful performance, making every stroke feel smooth and controlled. What's more, the smart display enhances usability, giving you real-time feedback on battery life and performance. This helps prevent any surprises mid-session that could interrupt your flow. Some users have pointed out that it can be a bit heavy for long sessions. Here's my take. If you're used to lighter machines, it may take some getting used to, but the quality of work you can achieve makes it worth the adjustment. This kit is perfect for you if you're a professional artist looking to enhance your craft with a reliable machine. Skip this if you're still learning and need something more lightweight. Given its capabilities, it offers a great return on investment for serious tattooists. Now, if the weight of the L3 was a concern for you, this next product is designed for comfort. Product number 4, Dragonhawk L3 Cordless Tattoo Gun. We have the Dragonhawk L3 cordless tattoo gun priced at $122. This machine is another great option for those who want professional-grade performance without the bulk. Similar to the previous model, the L3 features a powerful M-Core motor, ensuring smooth operation for various styles. The key here is its adjustable stroke length that ranges from 2.4 to 4.2 millimeters, providing the flexibility you need to switch up your technique on the fly. Plus, the smart display is a nice touch, allowing you to monitor battery and usage stats at a glance. This keeps your sessions organized and efficient. However, some users reported minor issues with the battery longevity over time. Honestly, while this could be a deal breaker for some, I believe that the performance and comfort you get from this machine create an overall positive experience. This is perfect for you if you're an artist looking for a powerful, easy-to-use machine. Skip this one if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. For the features it offers, it's a solid buy. Finally, if you're still looking for an affordable yet complete kit, the last product is a great alternative. Product number 5, Dragonhawk Wireless Tattoo Kit. We have the Dragonhawk Wireless Tattoo Kit coming in at $54.99. This kit is a fantastic option for those looking to start tattooing without breaking the bank. This all-in-one package includes everything you need to get started: a tattoo pen, 2 rechargeable batteries, 20 high-quality tattoo needles, and even practice skin. The fact that it comes with 2 batteries means you can keep working without having to stop and recharge. Each battery features an LED display for monitoring, so you'll always know when it's time to swap. The ergonomic design of the pen ensures a comfortable grip, which is essential for those long sessions. Plus, the machine is compatible with all standard RCA batteries and needles, giving you flexibility as you continue to grow your skills. Now, some might say the included needles aren't the best quality for professional work. Here's the thing though, they're perfect for beginners looking to practice and improve their technique without heavy investment. This kit is perfect for you if you're just starting out and want a comprehensive setup. Skip this if you're already an experienced artist looking for professional-grade equipment. At under $60, you're getting a great starter kit. To wrap it all up, we've covered some incredible wireless tattoo machines today. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit because of its balance of power and precision for serious artists. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the Wormhole Tattoo Gun Kit if you're looking for high-quality inks right from the start. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.